MarQ tag. Today we are going to discuss two tags. One is MarQ tag, one is IMG tag. MarQ tag is used. Please note down the अपना जो class में आप notes बनाते हो, class work notes. MarQ tag, it is used to display moving text. It is used to display moving text in the background of your web page. It is used to display moving text in the background of your web page. ठीक है, wherever you want to display some text as a scroll, कि आप कई बार स्क्रीन पे देखते हो, वेब पेज पे देखते हो, कोई टेक्स्ट आपका स्क्रॉल कर रहा होता है, चाहे वो कुछ स्मॉल एरिया में कर रहा है या चाहे आपका वो पूरे पेज पे स्क्रॉल करे, तो इट्स अप टू यू कि आपने कितना एरिया डिफाइन करना है स्क्रॉल करने के लिए, एंड व्हाट टेक्स्ट यू वांट टू मेक इट एज अ स्क्रॉलिंग टेक्स्ट, so that you can do. Yes, again cameras are switched off. Jasmine, Raghav, Shabad, Arish, switch on your cameras. Adish, Samiksha. Okay, next is, it is a container tag, so it will have the syntax as MarQ opening tag, and type the text that you want to display and then close the MarQ tag. ठीक है, MarQ tag opening, then type the text and then close the MarQ tag. This is a container tag. Now, various attributes are used along with the MarQ tag. Attributes of MarQ tag. Height, to specify the height of the MarQ area. Width, to specify the width of the MarQ area. Then direction, in which direction it should move. It could have the values left, right, up or down. It can have the values left, right, up and down. Then you can have behavior. Behavior. What is the behavior of moving text? कि किस तरह से move करे? Whether it should scroll, whether it should alternate, or whether it should slide. So behavior. Behavior can have the values slide, alternate, and scroll. Width, height, direction, behavior. Then BG color, to specify the background color of your MarQ. MarQ का background color क्या होना चाहिए? MarQ area का background color. ठीक है? Width and height can be given in the number of pixels as well as in the number of percentage of the web page. जैसे हमारे पास एक और जगह हमने HR में यूज किया था percentage और pixels. Percentage of the screen, percentage of the web page, कि 70% पेज पे लाइन आनी चाहिए. Similarly, we can give the width and height of the MarQ area in the number of percentage or in the number of pixels. BG color, to specify the background color of the web page, MarQ area. Okay, note down हो गया? Now let's do it practically. Here I am having this notepad. I hope this much font size is visible to everyone. Okay. Now body BG color. First of all, I had given the background color for the web page. Now I am giving the MarQ area. MarQ, testing the MarQ tag. MarQ, I am giving the text testing MarQ tag. Close the MarQ. Now on a complete web page, you will see only one MarQ. Save it. I had closed the body attribute body tag, close the HTML. My web page structure is complete. I'm saving it as marq.html. Now go to the browser, Control plus O, open it. Find out the web page which you have saved. Open it. Okay. हाँ जी. By default black color में आपके पास text नजर आ रहा है, that is moving from the right hand side towards the left hand side. Now it is scrolling. एक जगह पे खत्म होके एक एंड पे खत्म होके वापस दूसरे एंड से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. That is called scrolling. ठीक है, क्लियर है सबको, विजिबल है यहाँ तक? अभी हमने कोई एट्रीब्यूट यूज नहीं करा, सिर्फ हमने लिखा है मार्क्यू, देन टेक्स्ट, देन क्लोज द मार्क्यू टैग. तो डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग के साथ, डिफॉल्ट फॉन्ट साइज, डिफॉल्ट फॉन्ट कलर के साथ from the right hand side towards the left hand side it is moving and scrolling on the screen. Now I can give the various attributes. Suppose I am giving the BG color. BG color is equal to, suppose I am giving here yellow. ठीक है, then I can give the width and height. Width equals to, suppose अभी ये full width आ रही है, full web page ले रहा है. I am taking it as suppose 70%. I am saying it should cover only the 70% of the screen. Then I can give the height. Suppose I am giving the height is equal to, suppose 50 pixels. I am not giving in percentage, I am giving it in the number of pixels. Height जो मैं दे रही हूँ वो pixels में दे रही हूँ. पहले इतना try करते हैं. Save it. Go to the browser and refresh it. See, 70% of the screen area is covered. 50%, 15 pixels is the number of height, and width is 70%. Background color is yellow. Clear? If I say, okay, I'm not giving the width, I'm just giving the height, so it will be on the full screen. With height 50. Suppose I'm giving it as 40 or 30, it will reduce the height. Save it. Control plus S. Go to the browser, refresh it. Now see, it is on the full screen. Anji, any doubt till now? अभी तक के attributes में कोई doubt किसी को? Yes, Anjani, any doubt beta? Okay. Then again.
हमें एक बार वो कोडिंग दिखा दो.
बेटा कोडिंग पे वापस आ रहे हैं. See, BG color, height, and 2 attributes I had used. Now I'm going to use direction. Equals to, अभी direction क्या आ रही है? From right to left. It is moving towards the left hand side. Now I say it should move towards the right hand side. So I'm giving the direction equals to right. Now go back to this. Presently it is moving from the right to left. Refresh it. Now it is moving from left to right. Direction change हो गई. ठीक है? Clear? Yes, Harman? Okay. Then I can also give the direction as up and down. But for that purpose, your height of the marquee area should be more. So I'm giving the height, suppose as 100. Width as again 100. एक box सा बन जाएगा. Then I'm giving the direction as down. Now height and width का area दे दिया, direction दे दी. Save it. Go to the browser and refresh it. See? Right? So you can display the marquee on the full page, or you can display the marquee in the small area of the web page by specifying the height and width of the marquee area. Clear? Yes? You can display some image also here. Okay? Okay, now go back to the window. Go back to the notepad. Suppose now we are going to try some other things. Suppose I am giving it as a height again. मैं दे रही हूँ इसको वापस 30 for the full screen, and width I am not using. Direction is Again, right? Presently, behavior was scrolling. Now I am giving the behavior. Mind it, यहाँ पे behavior के spelling में you नहीं use होगा. Alternate. Alternate. Now what will happen? Now it is moving towards the right hand side, but see, when it reaches to the end, it will jump back towards the left. This is alternate behavior of scrolling. ठीक है, मूव कैसे करना टेक्स्ट, पहले आ रहा था स्क्रॉलिंग, जब एक एंड पे पहुंच गए वहां से खत्म वापस, एंड अगेन वापस इधर से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. अब क्या हो रहा है, एक एंड पे पहुंच के बाउंस बैक कर रहा है, and again going to the other end, then again bounce back and going to the first end. Okay, this is alternate behavior. Okay, now we can try the third behavior, that is your slide. See what will happen in slide behavior. That's it. Finish. Slide, only slide one time. That is your slide behavior. That will slide only for one time. Okay? Okay, it's better we can have the alternate behavior or scroll behavior. अगर हम कोई behavior नहीं दे रहे हैं तो by default value is scroll. Okay? हाँ जी, any doubt in the mark tag? Okay, again I'm seeing many of the students had switched off their cameras. Yes, Sameer, Matangi, Madhav, Akul, Samiksha. Samiksha, आपने इस कैमरा ऑन ही नहीं किया. Adish, Jasmine, switch on your cameras, बेटा. Anji, any doubt in the mark tag? What is the use of mark tag? Who can give me the answer? What is the use of mark tag?
It is used to display the moving text in the background of the
used to
web
display
web
the
page.
moving text in the background of the web page or on a web page. ठीक है? What are the various attributes of mark tag? What are the various attributes of mark tag, Saksham? Okay, Taranya, what is the attributes of mark tag?
Attributes of mark tag are height, width, behavior, and direction,
Okay.
and VG color.
Correct. And what values we can give to the behavior? Anjani? What values we can give to the behavior?
Slide, alternate, scroll.
Okay, slide, alternate, and scroll. Which is the by default value?
Scroll.
Scroll. By default value is scroll. Okay, good. Okay, what are the various values we can give to the direction? Yes, Akul? What are the various values we can give to the direction we attribute?
From left, right, up, down.
Okay, and left, right, up and down, and height and width is used to specify the mark area in the height and width. Height and width can be given in the number of pixels or as a percentage of the screen. Okay. Okay, now second tag that we are going to discuss today is IMG tag. This was the container tag. Now we are going to discuss the IMG tag. IMG tag is used to insert images on web page. It is used to insert images on a web page. Okay, this is an empty tag. Mind it. ये empty tag है. एक ही बार बस IMG tag open किया, image specify करी, कौन सी display करनी है. There is no need to close it. This is an empty tag. Okay. Now, what are the various attributes that we can use with the IMG tag? Attributes of IMG tag. फर्स्ट एंड कंपल्सरी एट्रीब्यूट इज SRC. IMG टैग अकेला वर्क ही नहीं करेगा जब तक हम SRC एट्रीब्यूट उसके साथ यूज नहीं करेंगे. Because image means IMG tag means insert image, but what image or which image is to be inserted, that is specified by using the SRC attribute. अगर SRC attribute source देंगे ही नहीं image का तो वो insert क्या करेगा? So IMG tag to insert images, SRC attribute to specify the source of image that is to be inserted. Source of image means the name and the path of the image. I hope all of you remember कि हमने background attribute use किया था body tag का. Yes? Yes or no? Body tag का background attribute use किया था जिसमें हमने background में image insert करी थी. और जब हमने background में image insert करी थी, तो we had opened the image in a browser, copied its path and pasted. In the similar way, we will copy the path, we will have the path of an image that you want to insert. And paste it is a SRC. Okay, that is the source of your image. Then we can give the width and height of the image. Then we can give the alignment of the image. Alignment minded, it can have only value left or right. By default, it is left. Whatever image we display, it is displayed on the left hand side. And the other value align attribute can have only right. It cannot have center value. Mind it. Ye please note down kar lo, underline kar lo. Align attribute of IMG tag will not use the center value. Then we can have the border to specify the border of image. And it is also given in the number of pixels. Border of image. Okay. Now, how to display image in the center? Next question is कि अगर left और right by default left आ रही है, align attribute हम right दे सकते हैं. But how to display image in the center of the web page? Anybody remembers? मैंने एक tag करवाया था जिसकी definition हमने लिखी थी to display the text or image in the center of web page. Which tag we had used? To display the image or the text in the center of web page. Yes,
Center tag.
Correct. Center tag. Very good. So that tag will be used to display the image in the center. Otherwise, align attribute लिख भी दोगे align equals to center, it will not display the image in the center. आपकी बुक में जो एग्जाम्पल दी हुई है वहां पे लिखा हुआ सेंटर टैग भी यूज किया हुआ है और अलाइन इक्वल्स टू सेंटर भी लिखा हुआ है. तो अलाइन इक्वल्स टू सेंटर इज नॉट कंपल्सरी देयर, इज नॉट नेसेसरी देयर. वहां से हम उसको रिरेज कर सकते हो, वहां पे मिस्टेक है. तो अलाइन इज इक्वल टू अगर सेंटर लिख भी देंगे तो it will not display the image in the center, it will display in the left hand side only. That is the default place. Whenever you want to insert the image in the center, you have to specify the center tag before IMG tag and close it after IMG tag. Okay, see, I'm giving you the coding. Here I want to display an image, IMG SRC equals to double quotes. Now double quotes में मुझे चाहिए path and the name of image. So how I can open the path? Suppose I'm going to the browser. Okay, open any image that you want to display. I'm closing it, I'm opening it again. Anji, is this window visible now? Control plus O for open. Then find the image that you want to insert. कोई भी image जो आपको insert करानी है, ठीक है? Select it, click on open. Image आ गई. Click on this address bar. Select हो गया. Control plus C. It will copy the path and the name of image. Now go to the notepad. Control plus V for pasting. Double quotes close. Angular bracket close. Now I had given only IMG tag. Then I had used SRC attribute is equal to the name and the path of image, close the tag. Save it. Control plus S. Go to the browser. Refresh it. See, image has been inserted. Yes, Harman?
मैम मुझे ये पूछना था कि जो एट्रीब्यूट है IMG टैग का अलाइन, मैम उसको हम अलाइनमेंट भी लिख सकते हैं कि अलाइन
नहीं
ही लिखना है?
नहीं नहीं, जो है वही लिखेंगे, अलाइन ही लिखेंगे, टू स्पेसिफाई द प्लेसमेंट
ओके
और
मैम।
अलाइनमेंट ऑफ द इमेज। हाँ जी, इमेज इंसर्ट हो गई, बट इट इज इन द फुल साइज, जो हमारा इमेज का ओरिजिनल साइज है उसी साइज में आ रही है। सो वी कैन यूज द विड्थ एंड हाइट एट्रीब्यूट। Within the bracket, within the angular bracket, I am giving as width equals to 200 pixels. I am giving height is equal to again 200 pixels. You can give any number, 300, 250, 150. Height एक दे दी, height 150 दे दी, width 250 दे दी, whatever the size. Then close the bracket, Control plus S, save it, go to the browser, refresh it. See, now it is of 200 by 200. ठीक है, साइज हो गया, हाइट एंड विड्थ व्हाट वी हैड गिवन हियर, SRC, then width equals to 200, height equals to 200 and close the bracket. Note down the coding. Note down the coding. You can have कि चलो width इतनी रहनी है, height आप ज्यादा करना चाहते हो तो आप यहाँ पे 300 भी दे सकते हो. It all depends on the size of the image that you want to display. Suppose मुझे width इतनी रखनी है, size मुझे छोटा करना है, width मैंने 150 दे दी, तो I can have this line. Then I can also give border. Border equals to number of pixels. कितने pixels का border चाहिए? Suppose I am giving 4. So it will give me the black color border in 4 pixels. Save it, Control plus S. Go to the browser and refresh it. See, height and width again change हो गई. Height change हो गई 150 पे, then we are having border. ठीक है? See, write down the code for marquee tag as well as for IMG tag. Okay. Then you can use the align attribute also. Align equals to right. मुझे left side पे नहीं चाहिए, right side पे चाहिए. तो align equals to right. Save it. Go to the browser and see the effect. Now image is on the right hand side. Align equals to right. Okay. Now, if you want to display this image in the center, तो क्या करेंगे? IMG tag से पहले, अगर suppose मैं यहाँ पे center दे भी दूं, तो it will not work. See, it is not giving in the center. It is giving on the left hand side, जो इसकी by default position है. मैंने कोडिंग में दिया था align equals to center, but it is displaying the image on the left hand side. It is not displaying the image in the center. So what will I do? I will remove this align attribute from here and I will type center tag before IMG tag. ठीक है? Then close the center tag after IMG tag. Before IMG tag, use the center attribute. इसके बाद center attribute के बाद चाहे हम text लिखें, चाहे हम image insert करें, that will be inserted in the center. Text will be displayed in the center. Close the center tag. Now save it. Go to the browser and refresh it. ठीक है? Now it is displaying in the center. Is it clear? Any doubt till now? जी 8th B class, any doubt बेटा? किसी को किसी पॉइंट में, किसी एट्रीब्यूट में, किसी टैग में कोई डाउट है? कोडिंग नोट डाउन हुई है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, समीक्षा कोडिंग नोट डाउन कर ली बेटा? प्रभशरण, जानवी? ओके, नाउ राइट डाउन one more thing. There is one more attribute of IMG tag, the alt attribute. Alt attribute of IMG tag to specify the text. to be displayed if image is not available. अगर आप किसी केस में किसी भी वजह से किसी भी रीजन से आपकी इमेज डिस्प्ले नहीं हो पा रही है, या तो कोई स्पेलिंग गलत हो गए हैं, या कोई पाथ गलत हो गया है, या इमेज वहां थी अब वहां पे है नहीं, किसी ने डिलीट कर दी है, वट एवर द रीजन, इफ इमेज इज नॉट डिस्प्लेड, यू वांट टू डिस्प्ले सम टेक्स्ट इन प्लेस ऑफ दैट इमेज. आप चाहते हो कि अगर इमेज डिस्प्ले ना हो तो अगर उसकी जगह पे मुझे कोई मैसेज या कोई टेक्स्ट डिस्प्ले करवाना है, दैट कैन बी डिस्प्लेड बाय यूजिंग द alt एट्रीब्यूट. ठीक है, कैसे? देखो, अब हमारी इमेज डिस्प्ले हो रही है, मैंने एक एट्रीब्यूट यहाँ यूज कर दिया alt इक्वल्स टू डबल कोट्स में इमेज नॉट फाउंड. जो भी मैसेज आप देना, इमेज नॉट फाउंड, ठीक है, या इमेज का नाम देना है, यहाँ पे सपोज टाइगर्स. So whatever message you want to display, that message you can type in double quotes. Now, if the image is not visible, only then this text will be visible. I'm saving it. I'm going here, refresh it, image aa rahi hai. So there is no need for text. So that attribute is not going to use. But if in any case image is not available, suppose मैं यहाँ पे कुछ गड़बड़ कर देते हैं, कोई spelling गलत कर देते हैं image के. Now it will not be able to find that image. Now go to this browser, refresh it. Now height width के बीच में image की जगह पर क्या display हो गया? Image not found. Text display हो गया. Is it clear? Use of the alt attribute is clear? Yes? Anji? Everyone? Janvi, Samiksha, Pari, Prabsharan, is it clear beta? Alt attribute. If the image is not available, अगर किसी वजह से image display नहीं हो पा रही है, तो आपका क्या आ जाएगा? मैसेज आ जाएगा image not found. अगर कुछ और टाइप करोगे तो वो आ जाएगा. Suppose I was having image as tiger.jpg, so it will display tiger.jpg. Save it. ठीक है, clear? Whatever you want to display, you can display in place of the image, instead of the image. Anji, note down the code. Also note down the use and the various attributes. Anji, Rajat, आपने note down कर लिया? तन्मय, सिमर, दिया, काविश, any doubt बच्चे? अभिषेक, any doubt? प्रणव, आरिश, ओके, नोट डाउन हो गया बेटा सबका?
Yes, ma'am.
कोडिंग या आपका कुछ यहाँ से एट्रीब्यूट्स में से कुछ नोट डाउन करने वाला रहता है तो बता दो, so that I can make the screen visible. किसी का कोई पॉइंट नोट डाउन होने वाला रहता है? Yes, आदिश. Okay, tomorrow we will do linking of the web pages and we will start with the table. ठीक है? Tomorrow we will start with linking of the web pages, creating hyperlinks. Hyperlinks कैसे create करने हैं? Most of the times you had seen the hyperlinks on the websites. आप किसी भी website में web page को open करते हो, आपके पास वहां पर कुछ links आते हैं जहां पर आप अपना माउस पॉइंटर लेके जाएं and it changes to a hand shape when you click on it and another web page open. So how we can create those kind of links, that we will learn tomorrow. ठीक है, by how to create the hyperlinks. Okay, till then practice these ordered list, unordered list, and also practice this varq tag and as well as your img tag. Anybody who can tell me how many of you had tried the list tag जो हमने कल किया था?